guys, in this episode I'll be teaching you how to make your very own slime. This is very fun, very creative, and this is very nice for kids who are obsessed with slime. I am one of those kids, so yeah. First thing that you'll need to make this, oh wait, hold on, a little bit messy. You'll need a chopstick or something to stir with. You'll need a container. You'll need baking soda. You'll need Suede Kids or any kind of gel shampoo. And you'll need some hand soap that is gel. Okay, now grab your container. Put in some Suede Kids. Some of your Suede Kids or shampoo. Oops. Oh my gosh, that was a fail. Gross. Okay, that did not work out very nicely. Okay, that is enough. Some of the Suede Kids. Now, sorry, the little slime is in the way. Keep it there. Now, put in your gel hand soap. And then just grab your chopstick and stir. Then when you start to stir, you'll see this thick, gooey stuff. And that stuff will stick to your hand. So that's when the baking soda comes in. So you don't need baking soda, but I'm just going to use that to make it not stick to my hand. See, it's already sticking to the utensil that I'm using. So now just grab your baking soda and put a little bit of it in. And yes, this is very messy, but not too messy, kind of messy, but it's like cleaning slime. I prefer you hold it while you stir. Then just keep on stirring until that gooey thing starts forming. And then it will be the most prettiest slime ever. So, yeah, hope you enjoy, and hopefully you enjoy your new slime. So, yeah, bye. Wait, and if any, like, if it starts to form, if it's like too liquidy, then add more of the both two ingredients that you needed. So just like combine it, and then it'll turn into the most perfect slime ever. Nice, cool, right? Cool. And it's super fun to play with. Kind of bounces, but not really. Like super slimy. And that's what I love about the slime. It's super slimy. It's very misty, and you can mold it. I'm molding it. See, I made a caterpillar, and now it's just got destroyed by my fingers. Yay. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Bye.